There are certain places in the world which receives less rainfall than other places. Only tall grasses and bushes grow in such areas. These places do not have many trees. Such places are known as grasslands. Such places are known as grasslands. Now, the temperate zone lies between. Today, I am going to explain you about the temperate zone where the grasslands lies. Most of the grasslands are located in the temperate zone. The grasslands are known by different names in their different countries. By different names in their different countries. The North America prairies, South America pampas, Eurasia steppes, Australia downs, South Africa veld. These are the major grasslands of the world. Now, what is prairies? Prairies is a meadow in a French. It is a French word. It means a grasslands. It means a grasslands. What is it? Its prairies are the vast stretch of land in center of north. Prairies are very vast stretch of land in the center of North America. The land is either flat or hilly and covered with tall grasses for miles and miles. Hardly any trees are found. Before the coming of Europeans, the land of prairie was used as the grazing ground by the American bisons. Then slowly it has been turned into a farming land. It is the biggest farming land of the world. Climate of this place is a temperate type of, it is a temperate zone. The winters are cold and summers are hot. Moderate rainfall occurs mostly in summers. There is occasionally rainfall in winters. See the location of prairies. It is located in between of Canada and Mexico. ये अलग अलग. Vegetation consists mainly of grass and a few trees. Mostly, that is, the wheat is grown in a large scale, and most available in plenty. And the water for the irrigation they get from Mississippi and Missouri River in this area. So the main crop is wheat, I told, as farmers produce enough for the country and also for export. So prairie is also known as wheat basket of the world. The farms are very huge, covering thousands of acres. Prairies in the western part of prairie area, so there are cattle rearing are done there. The place where cattle rearing is done is ranches. And as you know, the wheat is grown in a large scale. All the work, that is, they store this wheat in a silos, in a tin. That is, food grains are stored in big storage bins like silos. Most of the work like ploughing, sowing, harvesting, winnowing, everything these are done by machinery. So it has become very comfortable for the people of prairies to do the farming work. Next, the place like homestead. The place like homestead, they are built for the farmers, families, and for the workers nearby the areas where they can live, and they can store the wheat in the silos also. Next, there are many mining and industries are also, as some minerals are found deep inside the earth, like ore crushing factories, oil refineries. Due to the use of agriculture and development of industries, the people living in the prairies enjoy a comfortable life.